In today's healthcare world, comfort, safety, and efficiency are crucial. And it all starts with the furniture. Hospital furniture is not just about looks, it's about meeting specific needs. From ICU beds to waiting room seating, every piece plays a role in enhancing patient care and operational efficiency. Let's start with customized ICU beds. These beds aren't just beds. They're carefully designed to improve patient comfort and caregiver convenience. Tailored features like adjustable height, backrest, and built-in patient monitoring systems make all the difference. Plus, added safety rails and pressure relief mattresses ensure maximum protection. Next, modular hospital furniture. Versatile and adaptive, it's perfect for facilities that need to respond to changing patient volumes. Modular designs allow easy reconfiguration. Emergency rooms, outpatient clinics, and even waiting areas benefit from this flexibility. It's all about maximizing space and efficiency. In waiting rooms, comfort and accessibility matter. Custom furniture can provide ergonomic seating, create a welcoming space, and support the facility's brand image. In operating rooms, precision and hygiene are key. Custom furniture like adjustable instrument tables and ergonomic stools reduce downtime and keep surgical tools within easy reach. For pediatric units, comfort and fun go hand in hand. Bright, child-friendly furniture helps reduce stress for young patients while maintaining practicality. Customization ensures every healthcare facility gets exactly what it needs. Whether it's ICU beds, modular furniture, or pediatric solutions, custom hospital furniture is the way forward. When choosing a partner for these solutions, look for a company that offers a comprehensive range of products, quality assurance, and turnkey services. Stellar Medico excels in delivering these end-to-end solutions, from design consultation to installation. And don't forget sustainability. Custom furniture can be eco-friendly, using recyclable materials and energy-efficient designs. Transform your healthcare facility with customized hospital furniture that enhances care, supports staff, and reflects your unique identity. Contact Stellar Medico for personalized solutions and take your facility to new heights of excellence.